Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. Today we've come to Ikea in Gateshead to do some shopping. You know, I always enjoy coming to Ikea for my household stuff. There's plenty here. You got home furnitures, so let's go inside Ikea and let's take a look what they got in store today. You got kids play areas just here as well, which is great for the kids to enjoy. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. It's 18 degrees today. It's really nice, enjoying the weather. So yeah, let's go inside and let's take a look at Ikea. Furniture's here. Ikea is a big store which they do every single thing for households, furnitures and everything. This kitchen here, look at that. Got a nice table here to have your dinner. Wow, amazing. Look at that photograph. How nice is that? Got a nice little bedroom here for the kids. And that's there, you got a little table there and your mirror. Yeah, sweet, yeah. Got some nice photo frames here. Nice frames here. This side, you got the living room here. You got the sofas, a variety of sofas here. Look at these. Oh, nice. Yeah, lots of variety here, guys. You know, I really personally enjoy coming here because I can find lots of stuff. This side, guys, you got all the chairs here. So you got your like normal chairs. You got computer chairs. Lots of different chairs here. Coffee table here as well. This will be great. You got some more different variety of tables as well. I've got this table at home. I remember buying it from Ikea and it's the exactly same table which is still here. I bought this table about a couple of years ago. Computers here as well. Look at these. Got a nice TV there, which is for £550. You got the workspaces here. Look at this. It's all the workspaces. So you got your table here. You got your chair, laptop. Lots of varieties. Come this side, guys. This is all to do with gaming. Gaming desks. And look at this. Wow. See the lights on that? It's fantastic. Gaming headphones as well. Check that out. This side, guys, you got all the gardening items here. Wow, check this out. It's really nice. Wow. Yeah, it's lots of great stuff about green garden. Fantastic here in Ikea. I really enjoy coming here. Lots to do, lots of things which you can find here for your household. Kids side now. Here, look at this. Got plenty of teddy bears here. Wow. Look at that. Got blue whales. They look nice, don't they? You got some bears as well. You got a little kids' room here. Nice books there. Nice little play area as well. Oh, good. I've got some nice lions. Look at these nice lions. We've got some big snakes here. The biggest playground is never far away. It's full of mirrors, so you got different size mirrors here. You get tall ones, you get small ones. You got some trainers as well, shoes. You got this to clean your windows as well. These are just for £1. Guys, so we've got different kind of plates here, different kind of sizes of plates, and that is just for 75 pence. Wow, that is fantastic, the price. This is the lowest price for these plates. So if you are interested, please come to Ikea and you'll find these plates just here, just right next to the little restaurant here in Ikea. Bit more, lots of offers on here. Look at these, guys. Lots of more offers on everything, £3 or less, as it just says here. Got some, there's lots. So you got the lifts here as well. Now this will take us to the market hall, which is upstairs. So let's go upstairs. And you got some clothes hangers here as well. So let's go upstairs now, guys. Guys, let's make our way upstairs. Let's go up the escalators. This is going to take us to the market hall now. Upstairs, you got some trolleys here as well. So if you want to do your shopping, just feel free to grab a trolley. On this side, you got all the household items, so such as, for example, glasses, chopping boards, tin openers, everything basically, literally everything. Yeah, we've got different kind of chopping boards here, guys, different sizes of them. So you get small ones, you got big ones. Look at these. Got some can openers here as well. Got frying pans here, which is £3.75. You basically get this different kind of sizes of pans as well. You got the big one there. Look at these, lots. These are the lunch boxes here, so you can take your lunch in these. So there's your options. You can get big, small, or medium-sized one. This side, guys, look at this. You got a grill here to make your barbecues in this. This would be good for a barbecue, wouldn't it? Especially in the summer. This side we got pot with lids, which is only £5. So you got some mugs here, guys. Look at this. We got some £1 ones. We also got 75 pence ones. Lots of varieties. Right then, guys, so look at this. What I found here is, look at these nice glasses. I like this, you know. It's really nice. It's a nice glass. And which this is £1.50. So you know what? I think I'll probably get this. It's actually, I really like the way it's been made. How good is that? Got some more here, guys. You got different designs here. You got some normal ones. You got these ones. So you got this one, and you got the one that I showed you guys. The one that I've seen as well. Here we are. So we've got our glasses here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the trolley, the box. We've got some more plates here, guys. Look at these low prices. Different kind of prices here for different kind of size of plates. Look at these. First of all, you got some nice little rugs here. These are like soft ones. Look at these, very soft. Very soft. So here you got a variety of rugs. Look at these. Lots of different variety of rugs here. You got some more rugs here. You got new rugs here, which is coming new. Oh, guys, look at that Angel of the North, where they got the photo frames on. Look at that. How cool have they made that? It was upstairs. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go down the escalators, and then we're going to pay for what we got, and yeah, let's go to the checkout. Here's the checkout now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go towards the checkout now and check out our items what we bought. Cutleries out, guys. Look at this. They got different kind of colours here with plates as well. This is a good quality plastic. This is a proper good Ikea plastic. Very good. And if you are interested in any of these, they're only just £1 each. Look at this, £1. Buy these, guys. I'm gonna get these because I think they are fantastic. They're good quality ones. So we're gonna put that in our trolley as well. Look what I've just got here. I've got orange juice along with a blend of fruits and vegetables. This, I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to try this. This looks interesting. So let's give this a taste. So here we are, guys. We're going to give this a taste now. Let's give this a taste. Wow, that is very interesting taste. So what you can taste in that is you can taste the orange bits in that. So it's got orange bits. You can taste the carrot. You can taste the orange. It's a very nice drink. Really nice and smooth as well. So it's a fantastic drink. Right then, guys, so this is the exit of Ikea, and as you can see, you got Asda in front there now, and this is the Ikea there. That's the entrance to that side, and this is the exit where we just came from. So yeah, Ikea was fantastic. We've done our shopping. You got Delta Hotel just there. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.